You must be wondering, what is the use of a cover letter in 2023? After all, in the majority of job application, it is optional, right? And you generally don't end up sending one either. But let me talk about some numbers here. A recent survey done on 200 recruiters revealed that 77% prefer a candidate who sends a cover letter. So it means that the optional cover letter is pretty much mandatory. A cover letter basically is a small introduction about yourself where you tell the responsibilities outlined in the job description and you tell why you are a perfect match for it. Why are you the perfect candidate for the job you are applying to? Moreover, a good cover letter can make a huge difference. In fact, in the same survey, 83% of the recruiters claimed a great cover letter can secure you an interview even if your resume isn't good enough. Now, the real question is, how do you write an impactful cover letter tailored to the job you are applying for? Well, to make your life easy, here's how you can write a cover letter using ChatGPT. Let me walk you through the steps at this point. First, go to ChatGPT in one tab. Keep your resume ready as well. We'll be using this resume today. We made this resume using AI. You can check out this video to know more about it. I'll leave a link in the description. And in another tab, we'll keep the job we are applying for open. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Use this prompt. I'll keep a link to this prompt in the description part again. Let us see what we are doing here. First, we are providing the name, then the resume, followed by the job we are applying for, and finally, any additional information we want to add. So first, put the name. Then ChatGPT will ask you your resume text. Let's go to our resume, copy the information, and paste it here. After this, ChatGPT will ask for the job description. Let's say we are applying for a data analyst position in Genpact via LinkedIn. First, we go to the description section, copy the information provided, and paste it. You can also add the hiring manager if needed. Now, ChatGPT will ask for any extra information. So, Pooja has this YouTube channel where she makes videos on data science content. And I think this will be a good addition to the job application. But if you do not have any additional information, you can just type no additional information. Once you put this extra bit of information, wait for ChatGPT to write you a cover letter. And voila, your cover letter is now ready. However, there is a lot more you can do with ChatGPT. For example, you can reduce the overall length of the cover letter you have written. Maybe your presentation style is conversational. You can tailor your cover letter to that. You can even add a quote to be unique with your approach. Remember, cover letters aren't like resume, which is generally one size fits all. You need to tailor them specific to the job you are applying for. According to a Glassdoor expert, one must customize a cover letter and tailor it for the specific company and the role. Then make sure to cite specific responsibilities outlined in the job description. And tell the company why your past experiences are a good match to the role you are applying to. So next time when you get a call for an interview, do not forget to thank us by sharing this video with as many of your friends as you want. By the way, we soon are coming up with a detailed video where we tell you guys how AI can guarantee a call from recruiters each time you apply. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever that video is live. Happy job hunting to you. Bye.